Hey guys, Hinderswalk Kids right here. Today I will be seeing what's inside of this Tomcat over here. Talking to Tom, I'm gonna see what's inside of him, see how he works and all that. Some of his parts might be lost because this got hit by a lawnmower and I smashed its head off. So I'm just gonna lightly hit it until it breaks. What's inside this Tomcat? Ooh. Okay, nothing's in it, probably. Okay, this toy's almost broken and we can look inside it. Well, it's already broken. Haha! Hold on. Could I just rub it in some mud? Like, oh, hold on. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, our mud is powerful, it looks like. I got the eye. Oh. You can see the battery. When you press, so it looks like when you press this button right here on its stomach, there's a battery inside of it, so when you press it, it kind of, it like talks.
You don't have to be there. Look.
Oh.
And this one is waterproof for you. It's a waterproof chick.
Oh, thanks.
So if you put in water, it can survive.
Cool, thanks. I don't want to be smashed in this video,
Yeah.
so I'm going to sit right over here.
Alright, here. I know where to put him. Well, of course he's waterproof, so I'm going to put him right in the bird bag.
Okay.
He's going to be in the bird bag.
That's the only thing you can see now. So I'm gonna fix it up like it's one of, I'm gonna act like it's gonna be one of Sid's toys, and, I'm gonna like tape it up and all that, tape up the eyes. So this is gonna be a Sid toy now, and I'm gonna still play with it. See how it goes. Peace. Oh my god, I just did something from PewDiePie.